back with another video. Heading to the car open seasoner, whatever you want to call it, car meet open seasoner. One of the groups that I affiliate with out here. They're throwing one today. It's gonna be dope. It's gonna be lit. A lot of drifting, a lot of pops and bangs. And just like, subscribe, and keep watching, man. Keep watching. That's little Fiat, little shit. We're here for y'all getting content, man. We live with it. Y'all ain't gonna be able to hear me though, because there's a lot going on, but yo, man.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Chevy John Brown come for you?
There's cars.
The police are coming for me, so we have to evacuate. Be careful.
Police coming, police coming. Yo, as y'all can see, I'm trying to get videos for y'all, but the cops keep blowing up our spot. Like, show them in the front. Like, we're going to the next spot right now. That's a wiper right there. See? We're going to the next spot right now, but this is getting blown up and stuff like that. So we're going to the spot, and then I'll try to get videos for y'all then. But if what I put in the thing is what I got, and it's what I got, is because it's what I got.
Shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Nobody asked you that a bitch ass thing. You better shut the fuck up before I knock your fucking head off your shoulders, old ugly ass bitch. Stupid ass bitch.
Alright, that's what I got. Yo, we still live, yo. Yo, my phone. Oh, fam. Fam, they going crazy in here, man. Y'all ain't gonna be able to hear me, but they going crazy in here. It's pretty loud in here, so I can't really talk. You know what I mean? But look at that. my car right here. Damn. Oh, that's on the other side. Yeah. Damn. Flames up everything. Look, come at what car is that? That's a Beamer. Oh, that's the Beamer that we was on. Shit. You're fire. Shit. Yo, we heading out. I'm gonna end the video here. I got some good stuff in there. Make sure y'all like, subscribe to the video. It's only my second video, but I live in a spot where we don't have car meets every day. You know what I mean? So we do them like mostly every weekend. And if not, I'll start going to Cars and Coffee and stuff, get more content out there. But these are the more fun ones and stuff where you got to run from the cops and stuff. But, you know, like, subscribe. I'm out of here, man.